Hi guys, look, we just made a new roller coaster out of knex entirely. And we also made this, and it's called the Tornado. And watch how it works.
Oh, and by the way, guys, this is iKitten Cool. My sister is recording right now. She was the one rolling in also our FNAF movie that I recently posted.
And then if you want to go back,
and don't forget to like and subscribe our videos.
and here's how the roller coaster works. Where's the track?
Oh, the train?
Yeah, the train.
I can't.
Here's our big long track. Okay, so we just need to find the roller coaster, and then we can show you guys how it works. Uh-oh. Well, and there's these slides on the roller coaster.
Oh my gosh, why can't we find it?
I don't know.
It was in here a few minutes ago.
I think our cat Boo might have tried to grab it. Okay. Well, apparently we can't find it, but we'll try. So, as you guys remember, we posted a video. Last time of the animatronic, and that was made of knex, which was pretty cool. And you guys should see our next movie.
Sorry for the huge delay, guys. I've just been really busy during the summer, so sorry for the huge delay of the videos. So I made this video to make it up to you. Well, Shy made it. Anyways.
And also, and this is our next one. It's called The Creepy Doll Bride.
Yes, we're gonna make a video, hopefully today.
Yeah, we will. So there's our creepy doll.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoy that when we see you guys again. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.